Hey guys, today we will be replanting these succulent plants that I got yesterday in Dangwa. It's the flower district or area here in Manila. So I got 3. I already replanted the smallest one. I do vertical gardening because we have small space and I want them by the window. So because they like the sun. Okay, so gonna replant this one to this pot. I show you guys, I also use disposable spoons that I get from fast food. I keep them because I like to use them for digging soil. And of course to find compost. So I cut that up. Okay, and the soil is still wet. So this is still okay. I think you need to just keep the plant settled in for about 3 days before you start watering it. Okay, let me just do some more digging. I got into succulents because my son Leon, he had a project last year in school where they have to grow plants, and so I had to source for it and found this store in Dangwa that sold almost all kinds of succulents. But yesterday when I went to visit, they're already closed. I'm not sure if it's for good. I hope not. Yesterday was the first time I visited Dangwa again after the lifting of the quarantine here in Manila. So let me add more soil to that. I got this mixture of soil last year from my succulent supplier. So I just put out some of the stones. They usually put stones in succulents for decorations. Yeah. And to show you guys, I'm trying to fill up that gap. There are some parts that fell, but I'm gonna put them there still. I don't know if they'll grow. I still have to learn the names and the kinds of the succulent plants that I've been keeping. So I'm gonna fill up the gap if you can see there. Okay. I also realized that there are different kinds of soil for different kinds of plants that you have to use. We have a neighbor here, Ate Rose, who's really good at gardening. She has a green thumb. I don't, but I try because I like it. I like greens. I like seeing greens. And the succulents are the easiest plants to take care of because they only need to be watered once a week. So I'm putting just the grass there. I'm hoping that those leaves will also grow. Because these succulents are so magical. I'll show you one of my succulents that has sprouted small leaves. Makes me so happy. I'm just gathering up all that soil and putting it. So there it is. Hopefully I'll be able to grow it beautifully, and it'll get some flower. I don't know if this one flowers, but to grow bigger. This one is flowering already. This one, yellow flowers. I think this is probably a sister of one of my succulents also. So this one. You know, as easy to grow succulents, it's also as easy to, like, for them to die if you overwater. Just remove the dead leaves. Here. So this is the plant. I've had this since December last year. And this is the plant I've been telling you about that has sprouted tiny leaves over there. Can you see that? It's so pretty. Right. So I still have to learn what these the name of these plants are. But yeah, thank you for watching.